Welcome back, YouTube. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. So today's video, we're going to jump into Quiz 19, the answer. Okay? So the question was, which scenario most likely leads to void formation inside an injection molded part? If you said low packing pressure in thick sections, that is correct. Okay? And this is the reason why. If packing is insufficient, the core shrinks as it cools but isn't replenished with material. Instead, the surface collapses, causing what they call a sink. Okay? The shrinkage can form internal voids, especially in thick sections where the surface freezes early. So think about that, okay, guys? I will have a lot more of the information down below this on certain things what causes this, and then what things you can do to actually fix these issues as well, okay? I hope you guys enjoy the videos. Please comment if you guys are enjoying these, or if you're not enjoying these, or you want to see something else. I will start to get into more elaborate videos to where I go over maybe what is back pressure, how to set, gate freeze, how to do a time study, how to do a calculation of tonnage, just certain things like that. Let me know in the comment section over here, guys, what you would like to see in the next couple of videos coming up or in the future. Please let me know. Until next time, please like, share, and subscribe over here. I really do appreciate it. It helps the channel. It helps everyone find the channel. Until next time, peace, guys.